Get ready to upgrade your phone in 2026. Here are the top 4 most useful Android apps you must try right now. Designed to boost your productivity, simplify your life, and save your time every single day. Don't miss number 1. At number 4, we've got Notion. Rated 4.5 stars with over 350k reviews and more than 10 million installs. This isn't just a notes app. It's your all-in-one digital workspace. You can write notes, build task lists, manage full projects, and even create databases all in one clean dashboard. And here's the game changer. Notion AI. It can write your notes, summarize meetings, generate ideas, and even help you plan your day in seconds. Students use it for class notes and study plans. Professionals use it to manage teams and big projects. Even creators use it to organize content calendars and ideas. The biggest reason people love it? Flexibility. You don't adapt to the app adapts to you. Plus, free templates make it super easy to start in minutes. At number 3, it's the legendary Google Maps with a massive 4.5-star rating and over 10 billion installs worldwide. This isn't just a map app, it's your personal travel assistant in your pocket. With real-time GPS navigation, it gives you the fastest routes whether you're driving, walking, biking, or even taking public transport. It instantly reacts to traffic, accidents, and road closures, so you're always one step ahead. It even helps you save fuel with smart eco-friendly route suggestions and automatically reroutes you when the road gets messy. Need to explore? You can discover over 250 million places, from restaurants to hidden local spots, with real reviews, photos, and ratings from millions of users. Features like Street View and Immersive View let you preview locations before you even arrive. So there are zero surprises when you get there. And if you're traveling in a new city, it helps you catch buses, trains, and ride shares with live updates in real time. That's why over 18 million reviews have pushed it to the top of the world. So tell me, could you even imagine life without it anymore? At number 2, it's Google Gemini, a next-level AI assistant changing how people work, study, and create in 2026. It has a 4.4 rating, 33 million plus reviews, and over 1 billion downloads. This isn't just another chatbot. Gemini is like having a personal assistant, designer, and researcher in your pocket. You can chat with it normally, or use Gemini Live to talk in real time, brainstorm ideas, or even point your camera at something and get instant explanations. It also connects directly with your Google tools like Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, and Photos, so it can summarize emails, plan your day, or find anything you need instantly. And when it comes to creativity, it goes crazy. It can generate images, design posters, build diagrams, and even turn ideas into videos and audio soundtracks. Students use it to study faster and prepare for exams. Creators use it to build content in minutes. Professionals use it to save hours of research and writing. Basically, it turns complicated tasks into simple prompts. You can even upload files like PDFs, notes, or spreadsheets, and it breaks everything down into easy summaries and insights. At number 1, we've got ChatGPT, rated 4.5 stars with over 44 million reviews and more than 1 billion downloads worldwide. Main features: this isn't just another app. It's your personal AI assistant in your pocket. You can chat with it, ask questions, write emails, solve problems, or even get help with school and work in seconds. Need creativity? It can generate images from text, help you design ideas, or even write stories. Stuck on something? Just snap a photo and it can explain it instantly. And with advanced voice mode, you can literally talk to it like a real person. Smooth, fast, and natural. Why it's popular? People love it because it saves time, boosts productivity, and feels like having a smart friend available 24/7. From students to creators to business owners, everyone's using it. If you haven't tried it yet, you're seriously missing out. Install ChatGPT and see what AI can do for you today. That's the list. Which app was your favorite? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and follow for more daily app recommendations that make your phone smarter.